It's your boy Taylor Grant. I'm here with Bellator Claims Resolution. Bellator Claims Resolution, and I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Today's comes to us from Kyle of Loveland, Colorado. The insurance company does not want to pay for my hail damage to my roof, even though I have had 4 other companies, I'm assuming roofing companies, tell me that I had hail damage. They paid to have an engineering company of their choice come out to check on my roof, and when they came out, the engineering company told me that I did not have hail damage, and they took pictures that were so far away that, of course, in the pictures, it does not look like hail damage at all. But if you see the roof in person and take pictures up close, you can easily see the damage caused by hail. I also checked with Weather Center, and I can also prove when the hail damage happened. I no longer have my insurance with insurance company, and I do not recommend them to anyone else. Unless you want to go through what I went through. I also have written a complaint with the Better Business Bureau. They've chosen not to even respond to them. Go figure. I guess they do not care about their reputation. Well, the problem is these huge multi-billion-dollar corporations lose one insured, they have millions of others, right? And the problem is most people don't do the due diligence to make sure that the insurance company that they're about to hire to protect usually their largest asset, or however you classify that, until it's too late. But the problem is insurance is so different. Once you have a claim, nobody else is going to take that claim. It's the insurance company that you have to cover that you're going to deal with, and the results are going to be based on them paying the claim or not, right? So what I would say is this, again, you guys have heard me say it, insurance companies, in my experience, not 100% of the time, but a vast majority of the time, hire what's called an outcome-oriented vendor. Okay, I see the same engineering companies. It's usually like 4 of the same insurance companies that engineering companies that the insurance companies hire to come out and sit there and do an inspection with us. And usually the outcome is very in favor of the insurance company. I would say it's very rare I go out to an engineer's meeting where they're like, yep, the damage is there. Okay, so you have to question. If an adjuster comes out to your property and agrees that there's damage, and then they send out an engineer, why would they do that? If the adjuster has already agreed that there's damage to the property or has said that verbally to your contractor or to you, and then an engineer comes out, I'm telling you, the engineer's not coming out to verify the damage. They're usually coming out to deny the claim. It happens all the time, okay? If the adjuster agrees that there's hail damage, why is there an engineer coming out? If the adjuster is uncertain if it's hail damage, why don't they bring somebody from their office out, like their supervisor? Why are they sending an engineer out, right? So you have to start questioning what these outcome-oriented vendors for the insurance company that do a ton of business with the insurance companies, okay? You look at the 4 engineering companies that usually come out and you ask them, hey, how many engineering reports have you created for the insured policyholder in the last year? 0. 0 is the answer, because they know if they work for the insured, they are not also going to get jobs and business from the insurance company, okay? How unfair is that? You know what I call that? That's old-fashioned bullshit, right? If you're gonna be honest and ethical and fair, why don't you do reports for both parties? Weird. That's weird. If you would do that, yeah, so weird. Okay, interesting. But ultimately, this is the deal. When you have a claim that isn't paid fairly, say it's underpaid or diminished or denied completely, you have to contact us sooner than later. We want to get involved at the beginning of the claim, because when we can navigate the claim, okay, we know the roadblocks that are coming up. We know the landmines that are out there. So we can navigate through that and help you get your claim paid fairly and quickly. So contact us today, bellatorclaims.com. I hope this helps you. I hope this serves you. If you like this information, please make sure you tell somebody that you know that needs this help. bellatorclaims.com. Thank you.